Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this one I'm showing you how to turn off active status on Instagram. So guys, for this, Instagram's app has only one single setting that we need to go ahead and find, and we will turn it off almost instantly. So just navigate to your profile. After that, you go to three dots here, or three lines, and then in the search bar, to not spend a ton of time searching, just type in status. There you go, status. And then as you can see in search, we have this show activity status little tab. Click on it. And this is, as you can see, the one that we need. So this allows people that you follow and anyone that you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram apps. And as you can see, if this is turned off, they won't be able to see activity status of yourself. And of course, you won't be able to see the activity status of others. So if you're okay with that, just untick this button and you're good to go. Enjoy guys, if this helped, subscribe.